OCR, or optical character recognition, converts printed documents into editable digital text. This technology turns images into searchable data, saving time and improving productivity for businesses. The easiest way to OCR a PDF on Mac is using the built-in Preview application. Preview automatically performs OCR when you open a PDF, making the text selectable and searchable. Simply open your PDF file in Preview. The app will automatically apply OCR in the background. To verify OCR worked, try selecting text within the PDF. If you can highlight and copy the text, the OCR was successful. For searching specific words, use Command F to open the search bar and type your query. Preview will find and highlight matching text. This method is completely free, works quickly, and is efficient for most basic OCR requirements on Mac. If Preview doesn't properly OCR your PDF, especially with complex layouts or images, consider using free online OCR tools. Sites like onlineocr.net or i2OCR allow you to upload your PDF and convert it to a searchable document or extract the text. The process involves uploading your PDF, selecting options like language and output format, then converting and downloading the processed file. Be mindful of privacy when uploading sensitive documents to online services. These tools offer more advanced OCR capabilities than Preview, though they may have limitations on file size or number of conversions without registration. Online tools often follow a similar OCR process to extract text accurately.